Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning into this video. And today I wanted to show you T-Mobile's Cellspot here that I have. I was fortunate enough to get one of these because of where I'm at right now. You know, I go from 1 bars, maybe 2 bars. It all depends. But as you can see here, I'm showing you a screenshot of my phone. So sorry for the camera angle. Of course, this is how the screen record is on this iPhone. But as you can see, here is the bars that I have, and here's the Cellspot. So right now, what I did was it just came in a very small box, and it looks just like a router. As you can see, this is my router that I have downstairs in the basement, and right here is the Cellspot here. This is a different type compared to what I had last year with T-Mobile, but this one connects directly to the internet. As you can see right here, I have this blue cable and it goes here. I just have to loop around this TV so that way I could hide all the cable. This black cable right here that's connected here on top is the GPS, which I do have over there, which is closest to the window, which you can see the wire. Still got to do some cable management there, and then of course it's powering on, so it is flashing here. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, is just get this thing going and see where we're at. All right, so go ahead. Well, after reading the quick start guide, which I'll highly recommend with something like this that you're unfamiliar with, it does say that I did the right things. I did connect it. The GPS cable is actually an optional thing. I'll leave it on for now, but I don't have an issue with GPS. And some people may have, especially if you're like really underneath. Like this basement is underneath, but it's not to the point where it doesn't get like a GPS signal. I know that by just searching certain things on on the internet and whatnot. So I'll leave it on for now, but it is an optional thing. I did connect it to the internet. Now the blue cable, it doesn't originally come with the blue cable. It's the yellow cable down there that I just left there. But again, this is just it's an Ethernet cable. Same, I believe it's Cat 6 Ethernet cable, so still capable. If I'm having issues, obviously I'll swap it out, but for now, just to get this thing going, I left it there. Now one thing it does say that it could take up to 2 hours for this thing to to activate. You don't do anything. I did reset it just because I don't know, I feel that I need to do the clean slate, even though this was a brand new device. Taking it out of the box, just felt like I needed to restart or reset it. So now I went ahead and did that, and it's gonna take 2 hours. It is 11:05 p.m. or 23:05. Yeah, I'll just wake up in the morning and see what's going on, and if I wake up to full bars here in this house, then I know that we're doing good. But yeah, so I just wanted to leave it there, and I'll check it out in the morning. But again, as you can see here, 2 bars. So yeah. All right, so now we have this thing activated. As you can see, everything is running on here. Power, internet, status, GPS, 3G, 4G, and 4G LTE is flashing, meaning that is what is giving the data to the people in this house here. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at that. And yeah, as you can see here, this is the routers literally right next to each other. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the Wi-Fi speed on it.